Hey guys. Today, I'm using this to buy a lottery ticket. During the holidays, you meet all sorts of people. This. Shouldering my backpack, the moment I left home. I know how life is. Can I trade this for a lottery ticket? Trade for a ticket? How? I trade you this toy I made myself. Come on, it's the new year. All kinds of folks show up. You just go to a stranger's house. No, you're desperate for money, aren't you? Is this how you do business? Cut it out. Wait, boss, it's really just a toy I made for you. Okay, what kind of toy did you make? It's a custom one I made. What is it? I don't get it. Can I trade it, boss? You're trying to scam me. Yeah, I'm trying to run a business here. What are you doing? Oh, alright. Dad? Sis. Huh, it's you again? Sis, here's the thing. How about I just show it to you? I've already finished it. And then, I won't even trade it anymore. I'll just show it to you. If you like it, you can keep it. I'll give it to you. If you don't, I'll smash it. Deal? Fine, let's see what it is then. Okay, jeez. This. I made a custom model of your house. See? It looks just like it. Hey, it kinda does. Oh, it even has the stools. If you don't like it, forget it. Yeah, if you don't like it, that's fine. Let me take a look. Just one look, let me see it. What is this? It's a model I made using 3D printing. 3D printing. Yes. Oh, now I remember. My daughter watches videos about this all the time. She even asked me to buy her a 3D printer, but we don't know how to design stuff for it. Printing is actually very easy now. You just open its built-in software, and type in something like this. Like a pen holder. It has shared designs from creators. You can print it directly. You need all that? Yeah, you can print anything. What material? Right. The material is called PLA. It's an eco-friendly material, made from corn. It's biodegradable. Hey, let me ask you something. Which 3D printer brand is good these days? I think Tuaju is pretty good. Right, my studio uses that brand. So you were going to trade this for a ticket? Yes, that's right. Trade for a scratch card? Scratch cards are fine too, whatever you like. Oh, then how many should I give you? Really? I think this Happy Encounter one is quite good. Hey, since we've met, let me tell you, you're so sweet. Wish you win the big prize. Oh, these few cards, let me check how many. Okay, let's make it 10. 10 it is, 500 yuan. Yes. Thank you, sis. Thanks, sis. This 3D printing is really good. Oh, okay, then thank you, sis. Let me tell you something. Later. My daughter wants this 3D printing. Can I ask you if I don't understand? Of course, certainly. You're too kind, sis. Okay, then I'll hang up now. Using a card? What? Didn't win. What? Boss, then 3-1. Take a look. Okay, let me check for you. Wait a moment, let's first. A total of 210 cards. A total of 210, not up to the average. Okay. Let me scan it for you. Okay. It's placed now. Okay, received. Then I'm leaving, sis. Okay, bye now. Bye-bye.